Hello viewer, we are using these shapes. I will take that blocks here. There is the other block we have taken. Apply the shapes again. We are using the further designs. Take there. Let's keep on using further designs. Use the shapes again. Keep on changing the designs. Explore the different options. So there we have to make it another one. Thank you for watching my video.